If you have also claimed the free trial of the Google Cloud platform and want to know how to claim your prepayment refund back, then you are in the right video, because in this video I'm going to share a complete step-by-step guide including how to delete the autopay and how to claim your refund for the prepayment amount. So before we start, make sure to like the video and just subscribe the channel for more. Let's come directly to the console page. You are in the console page properly. Make sure you are signed in with the same email with which you have claimed the GCP trial. You have to go to the billing section. Okay. Then what you have to do, first of all, you have to select whether you have selected the organization while creating the account or whether you are just selected individual. So you have to just come over here and select. You'll see a billing account over here, your billing account. From here, what you need to do, just click on the billing account over here. After that, you can see how you pay option is there. You have to click on this particular option. And after that, you can see here is a request a refund option. You have to click on it and then just click on submit over here. So this is how we have to just obtain our refund. Now the team will review your request and based on the position, they will just offer the refund. After some time, you'll be getting a mail like this. Let me just show you. So after some time, you'll be getting a mail like this. Okay. Mostly some people will get it instantly, which will contain all the data like how much amount you paid as a prepayment. If you have paid 1,000 rupees, 2,000, 5,000, whatever you have paid will be listed over here and the details will be mentioned over here along with the deadline when you'll be getting the refund. So here you can see I applied today, that is I think 29th of July, and I'll get the refund by 7th of August. Regarding the next update that the refund has been, how the refund is delivered, you need to check your banking statement over here. After 7th of August you can check it and then you'll be getting the details over here that the amount has been credited. It may differ from people to people. If you have used card, some people are getting 3,000, 2,000. So whatever amount you have paid as a prepayment will be refunded to you. Now here we'll talk about the second thing regarding the autopay so that you are not charged in future for the GCP trial over here. So for that, whatever app you have used, you have to navigate to that particular app. For example, if you have used a Google Pay over here, you have to just go to your Google Pay app, click on your profile, means use section, and from there you'll see a autopay option. You have to click on that autopay, select the live option, and simply but you have to click on cancel autopay, enter your PIN, and the detail will be deleted. Second thing, if you have used card, you have to navigate to that particular card website. From there, you have to just log into your details and then just view e-mandates over there. And then you have to simply do one thing, select the option over there and simply delete it. Okay, simply delete the e-mandate over there. If you need any help regarding it, you can contact with your bank and they will just disable and delete the e-mandate from there also. Process is very simple. Now for PhonePe, we have a different method also. So for PhonePe also, just open the PhonePe app. From there, you have to click on your profile. After that, you have to click on manage payments. Then you'll find the autopay option. Select the autopay which you want to cancel. You have to click on cancel or delete autopay. After that, you have to enter your PIN and it will be cancelled. So this is how the process is very simple to get your refund. Do not worry. All your money are safe if you have participated in the program, whether you have participated in the arcade program or you're doing it for your personal usage. Thank you. Goodbye. Subscribe for more.